Good morning, students. We studied about the different forms of energy. Okay, we had also seen how that energy gets transformed from one form to the another. Now, we will come to the next point, that is the energy resources. What are the various energy resources? What type of energy we should use, that we are going to study. Before that, an important quote: winners are not people who never fail, but people who never wilt. Okay, I am repeating. Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. So, children, keep in mind, we should not get upset if we fail or if we are not successful. Okay, because whatever the persons you are finding, you see the successful persons, all these successful persons had worked hard. Sometimes they failed also. Okay, but they keep on working, they keep on doing the work instead of getting nervous, and they had not quit their work. They, though they failed, they keep on working hard, and that's why they are the winners. So, children, we also should keep in mind that without expecting much more, we should keep on working, and a success is with us. Finally, we can be the winner if we are working continuously hard. Okay? Now we will come to the next point, that is energy resources. What are the energy resources? Resources. Sources from where we are getting energy again and again. Sources means from where we are getting again and again, and energy. What we are getting? Energy. The sources from where we are getting the energy again and again, it is called as the energy resources. We have different resources from where we can get the energy. They are mainly conventional energy resources. These conventional energy resources are also said to be non-renewable energy resources. Okay, children? These are said to be non-renewable energy resources. See the name itself, what it tells. Conventional, convenient to use. Energy resources which are convenient to use, they are said to be conventional energy resources, but they are also said as non-renewable energy resources because these resources takes a longer time for its production. Non-renewable, renew, obtained. Non-renewable energy resources takes a longer period for its formation. Okay, so though it is convenient for our use, we should use it in less amount. For example, coal, fossil fuels, that is petrol, diesel. Okay, fossil fuels like petrol and diesel, you know that its rate is going on increasing. Why it is? Because we are using in more amount, as we like to have a luxurious life. As science is developing, we need petrol and diesel for many activities. Okay, but it takes very long period for its formation. So what it is said, though it is conventional, convenient for our use, it is a non-renewable. It takes longer period, and that's why it is said to be non-renewable energy resource. Okay, the energy resources which man has been using for centuries are called conventional energy resources. Keep in mind, children, what is the definition. The next is non-conventional energy resources. These are called as renewable energy resources. Again, non-conventional, not convenient for us use. Okay, but we had searched it out. We were non-conventional sources of energy has been used by man from centuries. But what happened? This is convenient also for us, but it is a non-renewable. Here in this non-conventional source, now we are producing it. Okay, now we are producing it. It was with us, but we were not using it. It is not a traditional one, but it is a renewable energy resource. See here, second form, non-conventional energy resources or renewable energy resources can be obtained again. These sources are not traditional. They are inexhaustible and continuous. See here, they never get finished, inexhaustible, and are continuous. We can get it continuously. So, we should use such forms of energy again and again. Example, sun, wind, etc., tides, etc. You know that, but it is non-convenient. Can we carry the appliances where solar energy is used to a longer place? Yes, nowadays that solar cells are small in size, it is possible, but solar cooker, solar heater, solar panels cannot be carried. So it is a non-convenient to use, but it is a renewable obtained again and again. Are you clear, children? So we studied the two main energy resources, conventional energy resources or non-renewable energy resources. Example, coal, fossil fuels like petrol and diesel, and another is non-conventional energy resource or the renewable energy resource. Example is sun and the wind.